When Grant and Sara adopted Wilbur, little did they know they were welcoming a cat like no other, a tiny human trapped in a cat's body. Just take a look at his sitting posture, not something you're used to seeing in cats. Grant and I have always wanted a cat, explained Sara. Grant was browsing the New York City subreddit when he found a post with Wilbur's picture saying, "Does this cat belong to anyone?" Grant half-jokingly commented, "Hey, if you can't find his owner, I might be willing to take him," recalls Sara. And then 2 days later, Wilbur arrived at his forever home. Sara thinks that Wilbur's torso is either too long or his legs are too short, so he always sits in odd positions. But he's extraordinarily cute to us, she adds. Wilbur enjoys a good cuddle and is a total love bug. But his favorite pursuit is claiming his human's bed as his own. Perhaps there's more to his human-like behavior than just his sitting. Wilbur's parents discovered another thing that is not very cat-like. He likes to play fetch. But there's one trait Wilbur definitely shares with other kitties. He is every inch as gorgeous.